Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have two polishes from All Heart. I have their September polish as well as their October polish. I'll be doing some swatches with this and doing some breast cancer awareness nail art at the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. This is the September polish called OC PAWS, made in collaboration with For Life Animal Rescue, whose mission is to provide care and resources to animals in need by offering adoption, education, training, and rehab services. OC PAWS is a plum purple jelly polish with some bits of holographic glitter, and $1 from every bottle of OC PAWS purchased will be donated to For Life Animal Rescue. So here's the first coat of OC PAWS, and even though it's not completely opaque in the first coat, the jelly base actually covers really well. And here is the second coat of OC PAWS. So here is two coats of OC PAWS. This next polish is the October polish called Check Yourself, that was made in collaboration with the Keep a Breast Foundation, whose mission is to empower young people around the world with breast health education and support. This polish is a gorgeous pink holographic polish, and $1 from every bottle of Check Yourself sold will be donated to the Keep a Breast Foundation. And here is the first coat of Check Yourself. It's pretty much opaque, but I'm going to build up the hollow with a second coat. Here is two coats of Check Yourself. As many of you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so I thought I would use these polishes to create a breast cancer awareness design. I'm going to start by applying a white polish to my middle nail and Check Yourself to all my other nails. Then I'm going to apply OC PAWS to a ribbon stamping image and pick it up using a clear jelly stamper. Then I'm going to place it onto the middle of my nail and finish off by applying a fast drying top coat. And you're done! Here's the finished design. If you want to support For Life Animal Rescue or the Keep a Breast Foundation, be sure to check out these polishes at shopallheart.com, and I'll make sure to leave some links where you can find these polishes down in the description below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!